For today's reading activity, it is a Boom Cards activity. It's over Author's Purpose. So you'll click on the Boom Cards picture and it'll get you to this link. Click on the Author's Purpose. It looks like this. You will then see this, Author's Purpose. All writers have a reason for writing. Right here, you can just click on this and it'll read this to you. I have it muted so I could read it to you. And again, here's a little audio button. Click it, it'll read the orange book. Click on this one, read the purple, and then blue. So, persuade. The writer is trying to have you do something, change your mind, or make you believe something. Inform. The writer is trying to give you facts or teach you something. And then entertain. The writer is trying to make you enjoy what you are reading. So remember this. Orange book means persuade. Purple book means inform. Blue book means entertain. So if you need it, say you listen to this and you're like, oh, I forgot what persuade is. Just click on the audio again to listen. But then you'll press play. And then it'll read the directions to you, but I have it muted. Decide if the author is trying to persuade, inform, or entertain you. Read the passage. Decide if the author is trying to persuade, inform, or entertain you. Move the book up to the shaded book. Have fun. Again, it will read it to you. Just click on the audio. And then here's the first example. Decide if the author is trying to persuade, inform, or entertain you. My school has the best pizza. It is warm, cheesy, and delicious. You should try the pizza at my school. Persuade, inform, or entertain. Well, do you think this book is trying to, inform you? Trying to get you to try or do something? Do you think it's trying to teach you something? Real information, facts? Or is this just entertaining, hoping you'll enjoy it? I think it is persuade. Let's see if I'm right. Yep. All right, and you just keep going on. I hope you enjoyed today's little reading activity.